Hi guys, welcome. It's Super Duper Sarah, and I wanted to take just a moment to show you how to create a capture form in your Aweber. Aweber is a great tool to start with when you're starting or opening or beginning your home-based business, online business, because it's only $19 a month, and according to Diane Hockman, the only thing that you need to build your business is an autoresponder. And so let's prove her right, because I did it 2 years ago. Well, not quite 2 years ago, but I did it in January of 2016. When I joined MLSP, I started with Aweber as my additional tool per her recommendation, and I had really great results with it. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So hopefully you can see my screen okay. As you can see, we've got a couple of options across the top. Here we have home, which we're on. This is your home page of your Aweber. I'm assuming you already have an account. If you don't, please message me or comment below. I do have an affiliate link, so this is the disclaimer. I will receive compensation if you choose to use my links. All right, so we're going to go to sign up forms. And check it out. It has tutorials. And this, I want you guys to use the tutorials. I want you to benefit from them. I want you to watch them over and over again if it helps you, if you need to, if you want to. If you're scared of tutorials, let's figure out why. If you think they don't work, let's figure out why you believe that. Because odds are the tutorials provide all the information you will ever need. And I'm going to say that again. The tutorials will probably provide all of the information you will ever need. The only reason that we hire coaches or hire mentors or we don't get the work done is not because we don't have everything we need. It's because we allow our limiting beliefs to stop us instead of finding a solution. And so we give ourselves permission to quit when we run up against a roadblock. But a coach, a mentor, a support person will simply help you problem solve. I always like to say I'm a problem solver. I'm a solution seeker. My personal trainer at the gym, he tells me counter it. Don't accept things the way they are, counter it. So balance it out. And that's what a mentor, that's what a coach is here to do. And that's what I'm going to do with you right now. Other than go through the tutorials, what questions do you have? I don't want to spend time watching these together because obviously you can watch them yourself and they're great. So I almost want to make this video as a challenge to you. What did you learn from watching these tutorials? Can you shoot a video of yourself screen sharing as you build your first sign up form? Let's create a sign up form. I'm going to share it with you guys as I go through it. So first I'm going to pick a template. I'm going to look at the popular ones. I'm going to go with the pointer. I'm going to leave that as it is now. So as you can see, here is my pop-up. Here's my sign up form. Type inline width 225. I can make this the whole width of the page. We can add tags to it. We can create a new field. All right. So what I did is I added a space for the phone number. So now we have name, email, phone number, and then the contact form, the click button here. I'm going to save my form. And again, save, save, save. I've learned this when building websites, when building funnels, when using software online. Always look for the save button before you click next or go on or anything like that. Save, save, save. So sometimes even within these, with different templates, oh, here it is right here, image. Watch. I want to show you guys how we can I'm not going to use any of these. Upload an image. Downloads. Oh, on friend. Now which image? Here it is. So I'm going to upload an image to the back of this form, excuse me, and see what it looks like. So I'm going to select this one. Now I'm kind of wishing it took up the whole page or was the background, but size. All right, over here, I'm going to enter the text. I'm going to use this awesome yellow because I'm crazy. Oh, maybe I won't because you can't see it. Font family. Let's do. Ugh, that text font size does not work at all. I mean that font color. Pardon me. Find out how a single 5 self-paired way to success. Business life. This I don't like this text. I want more blocky letters, and I can remember how they look when they're. I don't know if you guys can remember what fonts look like, but I can't. I always have to like preview them real quick before I decide on them. And I hate all of these so far. Hate, such a strong word. I dislike them. They don't make me feel creative. They're horrible. I'm not happy. Apparently I'm not going to like any of them. So what if I make it bigger and bolder? Will I like it then? Oh, that's better. I like this. We're doing good. Oh, I like that now. So now we're going to go find out how this single mom of 5. Oops, no. Okay, so single mom 5 underline. And this is how we build a contact form. And this is how, I mean, not a contact. Is this a contact form? This is not a contact form. This is a capture page. This is a simple in Aweber capture page. So I'm going to save field. All right. Again, I'm going to save form. Always save your form. Always save your creations. And advanced options. Let's see what advanced options I have. Ooh, look, background image. This is what I wanted. Oops. Yes. I want this as my background image. Yes. Okay. That's what I like. That's what we're talking about. Ooh, what'd I do? Stop. I'm breaking stuff. Okay. This touchscreen throws me off. I love that. Okay. Save form. Why won't you let me adjust the size? And what happened to my... I felt like there was an arrow in there. Wasn't there? Zero is down there. In this form there was. Maybe it disappeared because I put in email, name, phone number. Okay, so we're going to change the... So it says I'm currently using an image as a button. So that means I can't change the text because it's an image. So I want to switch to HTML, and so that I can change the text on it. Find out. Learn how now. Click. Clickety click. Click, click, click. Click to learn how now. There we go. Click. I cannot spell. Click to learn how now. Find out how mom of 5 self-cared her way to success with her online business and her life. So field. I don't like how these fields are, actually. I'd like it to be name and email. Okay. Let's be done. So we can see how we're doing, because we're already at 11 minutes. I'm going to save my form. I'm designing it. So as you can see up here at the top, we're still in design stage of it. Right? So go to step 2. Form name. Self-care. I can't spell self-care. Thank you page. Basic version. Custom page, your own URL. So you can either use a basic thank you page, which they will create a page they have done for you once, or you can go to a custom page. I'm going to have this be a custom page because I really want the next page they go to be a video of me talking about self-care. So I'm going to go grab a page off of, do I want to do Sarah Cole Consulting? I'm going to do Super Duper Sarah. One moment, please. Oh, that's not where we're going to be. That's not where I'm going to be. What do I want to be? Okay, so I want to be Super Duper Sarah's site. There it goes. Contact. Oh, here it is. So I'm going to take them to my website that I have hosted at MLSP. Oops. I'm going to go back to Aweber. Enter the URL. Subscribe. Save my form. Oops. Why? Why? Oh, I see why. Look. Naughty. Let's delete that. There we go. Save my form. Thank you. Go to step 3. Final step. You must save your form. I thought I saved it. Save my form. I didn't wait long enough. See? At least it told me. Okay, so who will publish this form to your website? I will install my form, and it's going to give you code to install on your website, or my designer will give me my form, so then you can email this information to someone, or I have Aweber host my form. So Aweber provides us with hosting. Yay! So we don't have to have hosting anywhere to create this page on the web, which is a capture page. And this is the best thing about Aweber. So have Aweber host my form. Here it is. Here's my link. Do you know what they didn't do? I don't remember integrating it to my list. Did I ever show you guys where I integrated it to my list? All right, so I'm going to go back and make sure that we covered that. So I've already done this. We're to the publish point. I'm going to go back to settings, form name, show advanced settings, add tracking, welcome first follow-up. Start on message. Oh, so this is the legacy follow-up series. Got it. So what I did, that's why I didn't worry about integration. So this is where I got confused. I don't need to worry about integration because I just created a capture page for this specific list. So I don't need to identify the page to the list because it already started as that way. So hopefully that makes sense. All right, guys, 15 minutes or less, I showed you how to create a capture page. I want to challenge you guys, who's going to be the first one to create a video after watching the tutorials to show us how they did it. And now I'm going to launch this page.